Hey BF dolls, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm so excited to be back on my channel, y'all. And today I'm doing a video that I've been waiting to film for you guys, which is my beginners makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna put a clip in where I'm showing you guys my makeup brushes. I already have my eyebrows did. I will have the eyebrow tutorial link in the description bar. So we're just gonna get started, and today I'm going to be using this Make Me Gorgeous eyeshadow tray, and I ordered this for you guys just so you could have a variety of eyeshadows that are high quality. I've already tried it out. Ooh, as you guys can see right here, got the little, but oh my gosh, do you guys see the colors in this palette? Like, they got the natural browns, the colors, all that kind of stuff. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do a kind of natural eyeshadow look. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for, but as you guys can tell, I'm really an eyeshadow girl. I don't really like doing like the natural glam, but I will be recording one for you guys to show you guys how to do a everyday natural glam. But today we're just gonna kind of be, I don't know, I guess kind of doing that. So before you do your eyeshadow, you always want to use a primer, and this is the primer that I use. I use this NYX eyeshadow primer. Well, it's a glitter primer, but I use it now for my eyeshadow. I used to use the Smashbox ABF doll for a while. You know that I always used to use the Smashbox, and I still love the Smashbox. I just chilled on it for a minute, and I got onto this one because it's cheaper and it works just as good. Well, it works good. I'll say it works good. It does the job. So you want to make sure that you prime your eyes, because this is how your eyeshadow stays on all day and doesn't crease. Now, when your eyes be looking all crazy when you put on eyeshadow and it be smearing all into your eyebrows, your eyelashes and all that, this is why, because you need a primer. A primer is what like holds on the eyeshadow and keeps it on all day. So with this brush set, I'm going to be finding a blending brush. I got this brush set off of Amazon. Today we're going to see how the eye brushes work, and I'm going to go in with a shade, one of these natural colors over here, or over here. It depends on your skin type for the transition color. And I'm going to use one of these shades. I think I'm going to use this shade right here. Or either, no, I'm going to use this one because it's like more orangey and light. I'm going to take one of these brushes. They don't have a, oh, they do have brush numbers on it. So I'm going to take Flawless Concealer Brush number 5. The brush set will be below in the description bar. And I'm going to pop it into my crease. Now, what I do when I'm blending, so I really like kind of tap the eyeshadow in, and then I blend it like windshield wiper motions. Okay, so I have the camera brought up a little closer so you guys can tell what I'm doing. I just finished blending out this color. It's working really good so far. I'm very impressed for this to be a $8.99 brush set. Like, that's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go into another color, and I'm gonna take this brush, which is a smaller blending brush, which is in number 7, and this is smaller. I think I'm gonna go into this color right here, and end up going into this color, and well, it's kind of like the same color. Like, that's crazy. So being that I want to still use this brush and just pick up another color, I'm going to use this brush cleaner from the crayon case. This is how it looks. It's one of those sponges where you just clean it off. So you just take this. They also sell these on Amazon, so I'll link it below. And you just swirl it around and it takes off the previous color that you have on the brush. I think I'm going to pick up a brown. I'll go back in with my other brush and blend it. Whenever you feel like there's a little harsh lines or anything, you go back in with the color or a new clean brush and you just clean it up. So now I'm going to put on a lid color, and I think I want to use this mauvey pink. So I'm going to take this angled brow brush, and well, this is the brush number 17, and I'm going to take the fluffy side and tap this color. It's kind of a matte, but it has a little shimmer in it. So again, I'm going to go on this side and I'm going to take the shade and just tap it in. This looks so good for all of these products to be so affordable. Like, oh my gosh, I'm really loving this eyeshadow look. Also, a major tip, you have to know your eye shape for you to learn how to do eyeshadow and to master it, because if you don't know your eye shape, you don't know exactly where to apply the colors. And with me having hooded lids, when I open my eyes, you know, it kind of takes up all of the eyeshadow and you can barely see it. So and other people's are different. When their eyes are open like this, you can see all of the eyeshadow. So that's why it is very important for you to know your eye shape, so you can master learning how to do your eyeshadow. So for the next step, I'm going to be using this Revlon Skinny Color Stay liquid eyeliner, and this is in the color black. And I have on eyelash extensions, so I won't be wearing any lashes today. But if I were to be wearing lashes, I would apply my eyeliner, and then after that I would put on my mascara, Colossal Volume Express, and this is the Duo Lash Glue, the clear one. This is very good glue, you guys. They sell this at Walmart, as well as the Colossal. So these are the two that I would use for my lashes. And also I only really wear my, well, besides these mink extensions that I have now, I'd have on my Beat Face Barbie lashes. These are the Chanel number 5s, one of my favorites, onto the face. You always want to moisturize your face before you start. Make sure that your face is clean, exfoliated. Dry and dead skin left on your face will show when you have on makeup even more than it shows when you don't. So today for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dewy Smooth. It works so good. I was using it like every day. It's literally like skin, and I always used to see people using it, and I used to always thinking it was a high-end foundation, but no, it was this Maybelline Fit Me. So it doesn't have a pump. You just twist off the cap and apply it to your brush or sponge, whatever you're using. I'm using this. Applying foundation. You want to take it, you can dot it all over, and then you want to blend it, and you want to tap the foundation in. So now I'm done applying my foundation. As you guys can see, it gives me a really dewy, radiant look. During the winter, it's very good to always stay moisturized and have a dewy or radiant foundation to give you a healthy glow. In the summer, you want to use matte because this glow will look like you sweating, and you already gonna be hot as hell, and you want your makeup to last. And concealer, you guys, I got this concealer. I actually have two of them. I got these from Influencer. This is an Influencer product that I received for free. They sent me these e.l.f. concealers, and you guys, they are so bomb. And you can just apply it directly to your face. So the shade that I'm using is medium beige, which is perfect. I'm gonna let the concealer dry a little bit. I've been seeing YouTubers and makeup artists use this strategy, whatever you want to call it, and it works really good. Like at first I would just put my concealer on and just blend it in, and I mean with a full coverage concealer you're going to get the coverage, but it gives you even more coverage and even more of a flawless look. And this kind of dries fast, so if you're in a rush it won't take long. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit and dry. And also what I wanted to tell you guys about this foundation, since this foundation, this Maybelline, is very natural, you don't want to use too much or cake it up because it's not full coverage. I wouldn't really say it's full coverage. It gives you a full coverage look as far as being skin like. It takes away the imperfections, not as much though, because it gives like a really natural dewy look like you have on no makeup. So I suggest using the full coverage concealer with this foundation because it will give you more of a beat look if that's what you're going for. Now that I'm done blending in my concealer, I'm going to basically bronze and contour. This is a step where a lot of you ladies really don't use this step, which is why your makeup doesn't come out as flawless or or just popping, because you don't know this step. It's a critical part of your makeup, because now my face is basically a blank canvas. It was a blank canvas when I applied the foundation, but with the highlight it just gave me highlight. But now it's time to add the dimensions back into my face. So I have this powder, which is the Maybelline loose finishing powder, and this is my exact skin color. This is in the color medium deep. Before I apply my bronzer, I'm going to set up under my eyes, and I'm using this RCMA translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder that you want. I'm going to put it on my smile lines as well, because I have really crazy smile lines, y'all. So now I'm going to take this big old brush right here. This is a powder brush. Ooh, okay. Maybelline powder. I put some inside of here. My contoured areas. Don't do any kind of other motions until you learn how to blend correctly, because when you take pictures or go outside or like look into the mirror, your face will be looking crazy if you don't blend it right. Start contouring my face. So moving along, I'm going to contour my nose now, and I'm taking this short shader brush. This is what it looks like. This is the number 3 brush, and y'all, I've been waiting and dying to use this brush, because do you see, like, oh my gosh, like, do you see? It's the perfect freaking nose contour brush. Like, so when I contour my nose, I just go I just start a little, kind of picked up a little bit too much product, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it over on this side a little bit. But I like to kind of come up by the eyebrow a little bit and just bring it down, and I like to shape it up like that, if you can see what I'm doing. And then I just blend it like this. This is just my preference. You don't have to do it. You can just keep the contour like that, but don't go too heavy on the powder. Now I'm going to line my lips. Throughout the whole video I had on lip gloss. You can put on Vaseline lip gloss, whatever you want, Carmex, especially if you're going to be using a matte lip color. So I'm going to take my Morphe lip liner and line my lips. I'm going to take my lip gloss, which is my Nyx Butter Gloss. You guys, Nyx Butter Glosses are the bomb, y'all. This is the one in Fortune Cookie. Now back to the eyes. If you want to add the colors that's on your lid up under your eyes, you can do that. But I'm going to take my NYX Skinny Mascara. If you see, the wand is really, really thin, and apply it. I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And you guys, I had this highlighter for the longest. When I first got it, I was using it like crazy. So I'm just going to take this Flawless Concealer brush, the number 5 brush from earlier that I used for the first shade that I blended in. And I'm just going to, let me show y'all how to do it. I'm just going, like, can you believe this is a drugstore highlighter? Like, what? This is the finished look. I changed my lip color. I added a little more dark brown because y'all know my lips I just like my signature lip. But this is the finished product. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned from it. Let me know below all the tips and tricks that you want to try, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am super excited for everything that I have planned for 2020, you guys. There is going to be so much content on my channel, more videos, tutorials. So yeah, I will be getting into that this year. So I wanted to show you guys the makeup wipes that I use. I used to use the Neutrogena. They are very, very good. They also have sensitive skin one, which I tried out, but the Neutrogena always made my eyes like really teary, and I was just really sensitive to them. So I have the Aveeno, and they work really, really good. They also work good with the aftercare. When I'm taking off my makeup, it leaves like my skin moisturized and kind of glowy. So I do recommend these makeup wipes to you guys, and I just want to wish you guys a happy new year, and thank you guys for watching. Love you, BF Barbs.
She know that she coming, of course. Had to throw that fat ass in the porch. Got her face down, her ass to the north. Yeah, yeah. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me. I got the blue.